connais aussi pam, 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 moi connais aussi pam, 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 moi connais aussi pam, Seigneur Jésus, moi connais aussi pam, 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 moi connais aussi pam, 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 moi connais aussi pam, 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 moi connais aussi pam, Seigneur Jésus, moi connais aussi pam, zamim, 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 moi connais aussi zamim, 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 moi connais aussi zamim, 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 moi connais aussi zamim, Seigneur Jésus, moi connais aussi zamim, doctem, 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 moi connais aussi doctem, 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 moi connais aussi doctem, 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 moi connais aussi doctem, Seigneur Jésus, moi connais aussi doctem.
So you just put the butter, trees, turn it on low, let it heat up. Wait till it turns like a little bit, about turn brownish. You kind of saute it, but real slow. I'll start moving it around. Keeping it close right now because the fire is low. So, but covering it to keep in the essence. I'm gonna have the freaking pineapple juice with the salsa. Put the salsa to cut down on the sugar. The pineapple chunks. Coating it up. Have a little something to eat. Have a little something to eat there. That's what I'm putting in it. Take out that white stuff, that right there, not the egg whites, the white stuff. You can tell the difference. It's a bubble right there. You put the seasoning, put a little almond milk in there too. Put stuff like parsley and basil, like this. Pikliz juice. I'm about to say the hippie juice, but the pikliz juice. And then I'm gonna whip it up with a little spoon. I like the baby spoon. Put about 5 of those spoons in there. It might have been too much, but I was gonna say, oh yeah, wash hands after you do the after you crack the egg. Put flaxseed in to make it stretch. I'm putting a little bit of lime juice too. I got some real limes, but and then I'll put some cheese there because it's kind of like liquidy right now because all that liquid I put in there. So I'm put some cheese just to make it stick a little. Turn the heat up just like the medium. Yeah, cook it a little faster now. It's upside down, but just scramble a little bit. However you want to do this part, just do that. Yeah, do whatever you want to do with this part. Just cook it. Turn it up to medium high. I put too much liquid, that's why it looks like that. But it's like it turned out pretty good though. It's pretty good for what it did. Kind of cooked a lot too because it was like. But yeah, it turned out straight. That's it. I'm gonna have to show y'all another one when I cook eggs another time, cause yeah, that word. I usually wouldn't have with this, but this is actually liquor bread because we didn't have other kind of bread. But this is how you do it with this. Put it on 228. You basically just cook it till you like it. Turn the light on. So yeah, just cook it for a little bit till it, browns and stuff, and then melts and all that. Yeah, you know how we do. And I got the oven going at 280, 288. I had to turn it back up to 100. No, 400. I turned it up to 400, but that's how it's gonna be. Smoking like a motherfucker, so it's super hot. I put a little bit of hot sauce, you feel me?